Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market lifters, big clues right here. If you want this to dump, you have to look out for this particular liquidity. I'm talking about this one. It's very important, and you can't afford to wait if you want a very large dump. But otherwise, you just have to be very careful. Market may drop within this range. Let's talk about that in today's video. Intraday algorithms here. Find profits in the charts. 12 o'clock right here. Now, this is very important. We saw the orange starting to taper throughout the day. And at this point here, you do see also the pink algorithm here. Now, it's a slow day. That's fine. You understand that. But more importantly, you understand how to be looking out for the algorithms right here. Now, once we close the cup, especially when we retest the pink algorithm, I mentioned that the stronger algorithm for that selling precision will start appearing only when we break the pink. And that's exactly what happened near the end of the day. Now, there was no reason go long, go short here, because just take a look. We were just trapped in this liquidity area here, going nowhere, but tapering with the orange algorithm. And you see how by waiting for structure as it forms, you see it forming here, especially off that pink algorithm. And this particular trade here that I took just here on the break of the pink right there. Just on the break of the pink right there, this was almost a 300% trade. All because you waited for the algorithms and you traded as structure demands. Quite a straightforward trade right there. Very little risks, but plenty of rewards nearing to the end of day. And this is absolutely beautiful. Your easy 5-figure if you want to be waiting for trades like that. It's about